To manage your Fifth Third Bank routing number, start by understanding what a routing number is. A routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies the bank and location where your account was opened. Fifth Third Bank has several routing numbers depending on the state where your account is located. First, you need to find the routing number for your specific account. You can do this by checking the bottom left corner of your checks, looking for the number on the Fifth Third Bank website, or contacting customer service. The routing number for Fifth Third Bank in certain states includes 041002711 for Ohio, 042000314 for Michigan, 041215537 for Indiana, and more. Once you have your routing number, you can use it to set up direct deposit, automatic payments, and transfers between accounts. To set up direct deposit, provide your routing number and account number to your employer or the relevant party. To set up automatic payments, log into your online banking account, navigate to the Bill Pay section, and enter the routing number and account number of the recipient. To manage your routing number, make sure to keep it secure and do not share it with anyone who does not need it. Also, be aware that routing numbers can change, so it is essential to verify the number before using it for transactions. You can use the Fifth Third Bank website or mobile app to verify your routing number. Best practices for managing your Fifth Third Bank routing number include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and using secure online banking practices. Additionally, if you are moving to a different state, you may need to update your routing number, so be sure to check with Fifth Third Bank to see if this is necessary. In conclusion, managing your Fifth Third Bank routing number is a straightforward process that requires understanding what a routing number is, finding your specific routing number, using it for transactions, and keeping it secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Fifth Third Bank routing number and ensure seamless transactions.